Hi, this is Abhishek Banerjee, and you're watching IWM Bus.
अभिषेक, अब थोड़ा सा मजे करते हैं.
हाँ बिल्कुल
ठीक है.
करते
और उसमें मैं आपको बस क्विक क्विक चीजें पूछूंगा, नो रैपिड फायर, बट कुछ कुछ नॉर्मल चीजें पूछूंगा एंड यू कैन जस्ट आंसर व्हाट यू फील
हैं.
लाइक.
Cool, cool.
ठीक है. दिस इज टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विथ एन एक्टर. अब अभी अमिताभ बच्चन इज ऑलरेडी चेक्ड ऑफ दैट बकेट लिस्ट आई गेस, बट अदरवाइज एन एक्टर you really really want to work with and hope it happens one fine day.
Shah Rukh Khan. I think I really want to work with him.
Yeah, I mean,
I just want to see the kind of energy he has on set, and मुझे उनको छूना है. क्योंकि कभी
I know,
कभार
right?
कभी कभार ना क्या होता है कि छूने से ना बहुत सारी एनर्जीज ट्रांसफर हो जाती है.
Correct.
उनको चूम तो सकता नहीं हूँ मैं.
Of course.
So at least
वो चूम लेंगे और कुछ नहीं तो हाथ
so
तो
you know
छू.
I'll at least grab his hand and probably kiss his hand and get that
That-
amazing energy that man has.
I swear.
And learn from a personality like him.
Fabulous. An actor you think has some really really good work out there, but अभी भी थोड़े से underrated रहते हैं.
Underrated.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
और है काम बाहर, ऐसे नहीं कि काम ही नहीं मिला अब तक उतना.
An actor who is underrated but is good. I feel everybody is getting their due these days. यार सबको कुछ ना कुछ मिल ही रहा है. OTT पे especially. It's very difficult.
जैसे टू गिव यू अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट, जैसे मैं अगर इस बारे में बात
हाँ,
करता हूँ दोस्तों से, मैं
example?
रसिका दुग्गल का नाम लेता हूँ
Oh,
कि इवन दो शी इज गेटिंग रियली गुड वर्क आउट देयर, बट अभी भी बोलते हैं ना वो मेन स्ट्रीम फोकस अभी भी नहीं है ओटीटी में भी.
Interesting.
उस तरह से
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
जैसे या इफ एनी नेम दैट पॉप्स टू योर
I
हेड.
think Shreya Dhanvantri.
Oh
in that
yes,
space.
fair.
I think
Yes,
she's a fab actor.
fab actor.
And she's really underused right now.
Agreed.
And I feel because मैं उसको auditions के दिनों से जानता हूँ. She's a fantastic actor. I think the skill she has, very few actresses have that.
Super.
And I hope and I pray that she shines.
She gets to shine.
She
Yeah.
shines more than she is already.
Super. A recent film that you saw that pleasantly surprised you the most, or show?
Recent film.
Yeah, show. जो
The
भी.
show was presumed innocent.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
Jake Gyllenhaal. I think what a fantastic writing,
Yeah.
direction, acting, everything. I mean, I don't know how they do it every time. But,
Absolutely.
I'm a huge fan of these kind of thrillers. So yeah, that's one
And
show.
Jake Gyllenhaal again.
He's my all-time favorite.
I don't understand how he does it, but he just does
हाँ
it.
मतलब मेरे younger years में मतलब जिसे कहते हैं कि पहले तो of course Pacino, De Niro, everybody.
Yeah.
Brando. But I think on the younger lot of actors, I have always been a huge
Jake
admirer of
Gyllenhaal.
Jake Gyllenhaal.
I agree. Donnie Darko.
Yeah.
Nocturnal Animals.
Yeah,
Oh my
it's
God.
valid.
Fab stuff. Super. A film or show you felt that you felt sad that did not get the right due.
Did not get the right due.
Yeah, like it deserved a lot more, but नहीं मिला उतना.
Oh.
It can be yours also. If
No,
at all.
I'm very lucky and I've got all my shows have been quite
Yeah.
popular like that. But I feel a show like Kohra,
Even though it's was
yeah,
dear, but yeah.
बहुत कुछ मिला but मुझे लगता है कि और मिलना चाहिए. Like
Fair.
these kind of shows should be viral and people should be talking about that, talking about them
I
more.
agree.
So yeah, I mean that's one show which I really like.
Fabulous. And because some people know
Also
around.
Tabbar.
Oh yeah.
Also
Actually, Tabbar even more
Tabbar
so.
मुझे लगता है ज़्यादा है.
ज़्यादा है.
कोहरा को
उतना
तो
नहीं
फिल्म
मिल.
मिला,
कोहरा को तो
but
फिल्म मिला.
Tabbar is actually a brilliant show. It's on Sony Live.
Yes,
if
Pawan
I'm not
Malhotra.
wrong. Please watch that show, guys. I
Pawan
think,
Malhotra and Supriya Pathak are like
इंडिया में अगर कोई भी मतलब इस तरह का नोवार शो जो है बनता नहीं है और हमेशा वेस्टर्न कॉपी होता है.
Yes.
बट ये एकदम देसी नोवार है एंड थिंक एवरीबॉडी शुड जस्ट वॉच.
I agree. Definitely should be watched. If you and Amar, because now that people know out there, you and Amar have a long withstanding.
Yeah.
आप लोग No One Killed Jessica और तब से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. And so if you and Amar were to do any other film apart from the horror comedy universe, what do you think that genre would be? कि आप दोनों vibe करके कर लेंगे.
I think we'll do a fantastic thriller.
Right.
Yeah, I think Amar Kaushik can do a very good thriller. So yeah, hoping one day he makes it.
I'm sure. वो आपको तो consideration direct ही आ जाएगा उसमें.
वो मेरे बिना फिल्म नहीं बना सकते.
नहीं बना
बनाने
सके.
दूंगा नहीं हूँ.
अब तो नहीं होएगा. अब तो कुछ भी लिख, मेरा पहले होना चाहिए. Super. A guilty pleasure film of all time.
Guilty pleasure.
हाँ.
Oh,
जैसे मैं अपने हर इंटरव्यू में जब पूछता हूँ इस बारे में, मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ, मेरे लिए आमदनी अट्ठनी खर्चा रुपया. I can always go back. As problematic as it is.
I think Garam Masala.
Oh yes,
yeah.
of course,
And
of
I can
course.
watch that
Akshay sir.
again and
Oh,
again
ho,
and
ho,
again
ho.
and again. So yeah, I mean, I love that.
True. Even somebody else also mentioned Garam Masala in one of them. So yeah, fair. One film or show that you just saw over time and you would recommend people to see.
Uh, जो मैंने बोला Presumed Innocent, I
Presumed
think that's a
Innocent.
very very good show and everybody should watch it. In Hindi, हाँ, I again said तब्बर मतलब ये है
Fair,
और
fair.
कुछ ऐसा याद नहीं आ रहा है मुझे कुछ ऐसा कंटेंट मैं एक्चुअली आई एम मोर ऑफ अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री फ्रीक I
Nice.
watch a lot
Please
of
recommend that as
documentaries
well.
ठीक है so that is something which I watch again and again and again I have charted the entire World War history
Fabulous.
I have there's this documentary called Poseidon
Yeah,
है
the
ना
on the ship
the
thing. Yeah,
the
yeah, 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 yeah.
yeah that's a very
That's a very
interesting
interesting one.
documentary I think it's about the
What transpired?
yeah.
Yes, of
So
course.
it's I think about the mafia trying to
Mafia trying
buy
to buy.
submarines
Yeah,
from Russia
Russia.
to smuggle
Yeah,
drugs, and I'm like, we are living the same world, and we do not
we
know
had no
about such
idea.
things, and people are doing these things. ये हुआ है हमारे ही धरती पे कमाल
Or
है
नहीं पता
कमाल
चला.
है
It's
हाँ
it's fab.
yeah
Even true crime documentaries are some
yeah
of
yeah
them
yeah
are
yeah,
actually
yeah.
really
Love
really
that
fab out
yeah
there. Super. Just a couple more. If you had the chance and मतलब कोई classic film वापस not necessarily remake but reimagine हो पाए तो what classic film would you like to be a part of?
I would love to be a part of Diwar
Oh
and I would
God.
love to play Mr. Bachchan.
Oh boy. I think
You
you
know,
can pull it.
I think the modern day Vijay and modern day Ravi,
Ravi.
I think it will be very interesting. I don't know what kind of conflicts they will have. The conflicts were very different in 70s, and the conflicts are very different in these years.
Correct.
But if we have that kind of a brother tussle between a
Yes.
gangster and a cop, and there's a mother, on तीनों की जो कहानी होगी मुझे लगता है बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी होगी तो yeah I mean why not
Yeah, and just to humor that
let's
thought,
manifest that
man, let's manifest. Just to humor that thought, who would be opposite you? Who would be Shashi Kapoor?
Shashi Kapoor.
Like, just to think about
Oh,
it.
let's see. I think Vikrant. Yeah,
I love it.
yeah, right.
Yeah, yeah, of
I
course.
think he can be a very good Shashi Kapoor.
Of
I mean,
course.
a very good Ravi. He has that
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
honesty in him. You
Correct.
know, I mean, he's also a very pure artist. I love him. So
True.
I think that honesty is what you need in Ravi. So yeah.
Fabulous. Two things finally. One book that if you read or did not read in general and would you love like to make it into a film, adapted into a film?
One book. शेक्सपियर दिमाग में आ रहा है सारे.
हाँ और विशाल सर ने उसकी सुप्रीमेसी बना रखी है
I
उनकी.
know, I know. But I feel I'm a huge sci-fi fan.
Okay.
So maybe Foundation
Okay.
by Isaac
Nice.
Asimov.
Isaac Asimov, yes.
You know, if that वो book अगर बहुत पैसे वाली फिल्म होगी लेकिन
चलेगा
एक
उनके
दिन तो
पास.
हाँ एक दिन तो ऐसा आएगा यार जब हम भी मतलब
हम
हजारों
भी बना
करोड़ों के
सकते हैं.
बजट
बिल्कुल.
में बना सकते हैं
बिल्कुल.
because we are anyway earning so much
True.
अभी थोड़े थोड़े धीरे धीरे करके हम भी 10,000 करोड़
आ
कमाने
ही रही
लगेंगे
है.
so yeah why not I mean that's something I would definitely want to be a part of sci-fi probably even be a part of the creative team you know मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें करनी है ऐसा
Correct.
नहीं कि सिर्फ एक्टिंग में
Yeah,
मजा आ रहा
yeah.
है मुझे बाकी चीजों में मजा आता है राइटिंग में मजा
Directing?
आता है I don't know डायरेक्शन मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि थोड़ा सा ज्यादा साइंटिफिक जॉब है because you need to understand lenses you need to
Yeah.
understand a lot of things about pacing मैं साइंस में थोड़ा कच्चा हूँ मुझे आर्ट वाला बनता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है नहीं but the thing is that directors I feel that you can be a good director once you have that kind of a vision
Correct.
and you have that patience I don't have that patience I'm very lazy also I can't work for एक साल तक एक ही प्रोजेक्ट पे मुझे अलग अलग कहानियों पे पार्ट होना पड़ता है
Correct.
but yeah creative team definitely I can be a part of some creative
Also
team
a genre I don't think we've done well enough so far.
yeah
So
not at
full
all
scope, yeah,
I
full
think
scope.
मैं I mean कौन सी sci-fi film है जो हमें
याद ही नहीं
याद
होएगी.
ही नहीं
याद ही नहीं होएगी. And finally, the last question to round things up: if there's one thing that you could change or make changes about in the industry, what would it be?
to take more risks I
Right.
think sometimes we get caught up in formulas and formulas are good for moderate business because if but and that's why I said that I always keep looking at the business side of it because
Yes.
I feel I'm a good businessman and I have been not only in the field of industry I've been doing some other business also and I like doing that
Correct.
and so मुझे लगता है कि profit और loss वाला जो game है वो उसमें तभी मजा आता है जब प्रॉफिट बहुत ज्यादा हो
Right.
और आपने कैपिटल कम डाला
कम
हो
डाला
या आपने कुछ यूनिक चीज सोची हो जिसकी वजह से आपको प्रॉफिट मिल रहा हो.
Correct.
So I think that thought matters, not the money, because money can make money, of course.
Yeah, yeah,
Like
yeah.
if you have
Correct.
a lot of money, you can put it in the share market and earn money out of it. But the fun or the maza is when you don't have too much and still you are able to make money.
Correct.
So I think that kind of originality,
Yes.
I think we lack sometimes, and we get caught up in the formula structure. So that,
Fabulous. Exhibit is 3-2. Unique idea. Pots and pots of money.
yeah.
Fabulous, Abhishek. Thank you so much. Absolute pleasure to talk to you.
Same here, Kunal.
Yeah,
Same
I
here.
mean, had a ball. We had a great chat. Otherwise, other on off camera as well
Yes,
earlier.
yes.
And here we are. So just hoping it continues and you just become better and better, which you
Thank you
already
so
are.
much.
But
Thank
people
you.
need take
Thank you.
notice of
Thank
it.
you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.